Homecoming through a Georgia rainstorm, a man returning home after years on the road. Red clay roads, southern soul, redemption, hope, memories, and the comfort of finally seeing the porch light again. Like an old Georgia train, soul blues won't stop calling, whiskey blues on my tongue. Every mile I'm getting closer to where I first begun. Georgia rain, I'm coming home down that long red clay road. My old guitar riding shotgun in a heavy load, but I keep on moving through the midnight blues. I roam. Georgia rain, I'm coming home. Georgia on my mind now, stars breaking through the gray, southern soul blues lifting like a prayer on a Sunday. Every milepost telling me that front porch ain't far. That old porch light is burning like a low-lit Georgia star. Georgia rain, I'm coming home down that long red clay road. My old guitar riding shotgun in a heavy load, but I keep on moving through the midnight blues. I roam. Georgia rain, I'm coming home. I've been carrying Georgia blues on roads that never end, but this rain washed all those miles off. I'm turning home again.